I checked it.
I know.
Then stop haunting my tires.
They like me.
He looks calm again.
He always looks like that.
Then change it.
I can beat him.
You keep saying that after you do not. Big day, Miller.
Yes.
Try not to make it boring.
Drive faster.
That was rude for you.
Clean racing today.
Always clean, coach.
Fast is easy to love. Steady is harder.
Do not trail him today.
I heard you.
Hearing is not winning.
Just a one race. Front right.
Again. Looks good. Cars do not have feelings. This one does.
Helmet on, Jack!
First corner matters.
I know, last guy saw a Pius. Last corner matters more.
Radio check.
I hear you.
Say something normal.
Do not eat my sandwich.
Win first.
Smooth.
Too smooth. It is annoying.
Something is off.
Where? Front right.
Any warning?
Nothing above threshold.
Jack, slow if it grows.
I feel it.
Pressure him.
Move!
Jack, brake! Jack, answer me! Did I lose?
It was a hard race. He pushed too much.
Liar!
You can help. Only a little.
Only a little.
I found something. Show me.
He should rest.
I need to see.
This started early.
Before turn 6.
Way before.
It looks like progressive loosening.
Careful with that.
Say it. Ugh.
It means something may have shifted before impact.
My hands did not fail first.
No.
Bad dream. The wall again.
The wheel would not answer.
I heard you on the radio.
What did I sound like?
Like you were still trying.
To my son, the champion.
I won.
Have you spoken to your competitor about the recent incident?
Not yet.
Do you hope he returns?
Of course. If he is ready.
I hate his face.
That is not medical.
It should be.
We can load another track. No.
You do not beat fear in one lap.
Then start with 1.
Do it again.
Your crash data looks like this.
Someone touched the car.
Maybe.
You do not mean maybe.
No. No clear source means they do not know.
Correct.
Main cameras do not see inside Garage 7, but there are old security cameras near the storage corridor. They are not connected to the new system.
How do you know?
Because old buildings keep secrets badly.
That system barely works.
Barely is enough.
20 minutes.
I will copy it. We go to race control.
No,
This is not Pride.
it is not.
Then what is it?
He took the race from me. I want to finish one before they take him away.
He almost took more than a race.
We keep copies with Barnes, with me, and with your father. If anything happens, it goes straight to officials.
He touched your car.
Yes.
You could have died. I want to stop you.
Will you?
No.
Why?
Because fear would still keep you at turn 6.
But you come back if anything feels wrong.
Yes.
Are you afraid to return?
Yes. But I know where the corner is.
Corners do not care.
Cameras do.
Front right.
Secure. Mark aligned.
Aligned.
No play.
Why are they inspecting like that?
Maybe he is scared.
Are you why? No. Good. Fear belongs to second place.
Check. I hear you. Promise. I box if it feels wrong.
Race the track first. Then the driver.
Focus ahead.
Good hands.
He is back. Do not chase anger.
I know. No.
Take it back!
One more. Safety tag.
There you are.
You won!
Last lap. Full heart.
Jack, what does this win mean? 3 months ago, I thought my hands failed me.
I watched the crash again and again.
Then we found an old camera.
Turn it off! No, this is fake.
It is original security footage. Yeah. You cannot do this in public.
I only loosened it.
Only. I did not think it would crash like that. What did you think a loose wheel would do?
Stop talking.
You told me not to be second.
Lucas Reed is suspended pending full investigation. His previous result is void under review.
I wanted one win. I want and win.
You had to drive for it.
I know.